Okay guys, welcome to the first showcase of the audio console prototype for eRender or Entertainment Engine. Now this is a script that is currently still at work, so bear with me, but I'm going to speed up the video so we can at least get this logged in and get this all set up. So yeah. Okay, so I set up the console and everything is up and going. So now if I open up the Python script here, just open up like that, and then we're going to open up the, basically, okay, we opened up the server console itself, the audio consoles I set up, the Python virtual environment. Now if I gotta enable the Pulse audio system, which that should now be all set up, and the script would be activated once you type up this command here. But I'm not going to get into all that because this is a closed system test feature. Now this video is available to the public, but not the actual script itself. So the script might necessarily be added, I'm not totally sure yet, but if I'll show you how this works. So if I enable that, we're going to use the 4 key, because then that's where the microphone is selected with the audio booth, and then we're going to type up the 10-second mark because it tells you how long I'm going to be recording the song for. Okay, and then we're going to hit enter here for the default selection, and then we'll go up to that next step. Now I'm going to record the vocals of what I'm testing, and then we will test that out. Okay, now that this console is set up here, we can now enter the key here, and once I hit enter, it will start using a playback. So I'm going to do the vocals here, and then I'll show you how that looks. I'll speed up the video for this and we'll show you how this works. And then now it's going to compile it to audio, make the audio sound good, for at least without clipping, without the normalized, and whatever it does to work. Now this setup is most likely not fully finished, but it works. Like, this is just like, it's not a finished console yet. This half of the console is not fully finished. But let's head over to my computer and we can check and see how the other things work. So yeah, I'll be there in a second. Well, it may not be fully perfect, but it's probably gonna work just fine. Like, this is the software, one of the software to use for certain things. For example, we use WinSCP, which, again, it'd probably be a better method than doing it the other way, but most likely, so basically the systems thing would be stored in one of these folders here. Basically this is the script system. Basically if I just hit refresh here, now depending what we just recorded on, I'm pretty sure it's somewhere around here. I'm pretty sure it's right here. I'm not fully on. We need to move this to a certain folder here. I guess, give me a second while I can find the directory. Okay, so I ended up throwing it in the server archive here, so just throw it whatever, just throw it here. Then once after we do that, now we're gonna show you what it sounds like. I'm pretty sure I just went off script here, but so the audio we just played here, which I'm gonna pull up real quick, and I will give you a sample to what it sounds like. Test, 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 test. But yes, that is exactly what we just recorded. So now going forward, I'm pretty sure that it might not be available just yet, but this is a real thing. So this is a prototype that showcases how everything works correctly and we'll discuss what is going on through there. So yeah, so at some point we will be using this for production and basically for vocalists and whatever going forward, and most likely will be in the Chicago location at some point. So yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe to see more episodes of Inside the Studio Productions, because I most likely will do another thing here with video productions like this and showcasing what's inside the studio and what we do half the time when we're not recording music or whatever, because it's a big deal and it's a big hard job for someone at my position as CEO of William Hart Entertainment as also a founder. So yeah, so something like this is not easy, but if you keep dreaming your dreams, you might actually do really well at it. So I don't know what to say, but episode 2 of Inside the Studio will be coming out really soon. I'm pretty sure this wasn't what you were looking forward to if you were thinking it was going to be some kind of behind the scenes content. But I'm pretty sure episode 2 will be more exciting. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.